Hello again! So this is a step-by-step tutorial. First, take a deep breath. It's been a while. And I started with concealer on my lid, medium brown, shaded that out, darker brown, buffed that out a little bit more, added concealer under my eye and where the highlights were going on my forehead. And then I didn't mean that's too much. That's so much. But then I just blended that out, and honestly, I should have just done that to begin with, a whole, base of concealer, because it worked fine. This is, again, the medium brown, adding some more shading to the corner of the eye, and then also here, and you're gonna notice that the brushes get smaller the darker the shade is, because you're gonna want to start with your lightest shade and then work to your darkest shade, and your brush size should get smaller with each darker shade. That's gonna help you have more control over where that color is going. So it's not just all over the place and you didn't waste time layering your shades. See again, smaller brush, adding some wrinkles to the middle of my brows and using the brush up to buff that out and blend it in, and there we go. There's our shading. Actually more shading. This is a almost black, not quite black, but a dark brown. Just so we had some more definition. This is face paint. I didn't have any white shadows or anything. So this is just a Mehron face paint. That's white to add some highlights throughout. Darken that outer corner a little more. And then these are wrinkles. Gonna have little crow's feet. And then wrinkles around our nose. And down to make our wrinkles under our eyes, and then some wrinkles on our cheeks, like so, and then adding some wrinkles on our forehead. You can scrush up your brow to see where your real wrinkles are, and then some red under the eye just to add a little color. And these are age spots. Never doing eyeliner. Because my original look also had this, so I added it again. Just a little eyeliner web action here. And we're gonna add a little spider friend and give him some legs. 8 little legs for our spider. Mascara and lashes. Oh, that was a little too dark. And then, filled in my brow. Well, I didn't fill it. I hated this. I did not like it. Anyway, but this is for fun. We're just doing this for fun. It doesn't matter. We're doing a fun little activity. Mapped out where our torn part is, and then now we're mapping out our teeth, and I was actually not too unhappy with the way the teeth came out. It's just a lot of shading, layering, rather. So start with a beigey color, and then just work my way lighter. This is all with face paint from a big Mehron palette I have. Mehron's face paints are my favorite. And then the teeth are gonna, oh my god, my mouth hurts so bad. I literally had bruises on my top lip from holding my mouth closed like this. And then some more shading and highlighting. And then this is shading to make the inner corners look more sunken into my face. And this, I just took a picture from Google and mapped out the muscle structure. I was I did not understand this one, literally just one line. This was so confusing. Just that was so confusing for some reason. And then I mapped out the rest, and I kind of followed what it's supposed to look like, and then I was just kind of drawing lines, to be honest. Now we're adding some shading. So it's just a brown face paint to kind of buff it down. This is a pink face paint too. Add some highlights and muscle structure, muscle fiber. Muscle fiber is, I think that's a thing, right? That's a word. Well, it's 2 words, but anyway. Highlighting, adding more detail, more highlights, and then shading down where our skin is supposed to be on top of the muscle. I go back through and I do that a few more times. Highlighting, well, that was too bright of a highlight, so just kind of blend it out. I shouldn't have been using straight white. I should have been using a beige color, but anyway. This is an eyeliner just to add some more definition to each of those muscle fiber, muscle structure. I don't know, they're your muscles. More highlighting. Oh my god, I hate this. I hate painting my neck and my chest. So this is, I'm recreating a look that I did 12 or 11 years ago. And I'm not good at my neck and chest, so I don't like doing it. So I was just kind of honestly half-assing it. Drippy drips down the neck. You can, of course, add the muscle structure, fiber stuff there as well, but I'm a lazy girl, didn't want to. And some watered down face paint to make the drips. That's the great thing about face paint. You just water it down, and then you have a blood consistency. I don't know. Am I allowed to say blood on TikTok? I don't know. Highlights. Oh my god. So I've done notes, blood splatter so many times, and I was getting it everywhere except my face. Like it was constantly going on my laptop, my desktop, my phone. I bet like everything was covered in red face paint after this, except for my fucking face. Um, and I just gave up and like just took the brush and started tapping it on because like I was over it. And this is just adding more highlight to our teeth. I wish I would have added more shading though. The teeth would have looked better if I added more shading, but I didn't. Highlighting my chest some more, even though I hate it, whatever. Shadows under the blood drips on my neck. And of course, more highlighting to make that look like glossy blood. And that's it. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, bye.